Here comes the Badger blimp.
We'd better get out of here in a hurry.
Eagle 5, a Winnebago van with wings that set a new standard for sci-fi parodies. The cockpit and interior of this hilarious starship are insanely detailed and carefully crafted by hand. This 3D printable model will become the most charmingly absurd piece in your sci-fi collection.
Switch to secret hyperjets.
Switching to secret hyperjets.
Late. What happened? Where are they? I don't know, sir.
The front wheels can be turned using the steering wheel.
You can't park here! Yeah, can't you guys read? No parking! That son of a...